Hello everyone, welcome to 3Ds Learners, presenting you a life lesson video in which we will watch some important tips to be happy in any situations. Must watch the full video. Before we start, subscribe 3Ds Learners and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let us begin. Mindset that brings happiness. Take the positive from every person and situation. Friends, we face different persons and different situations in everyday life. When things are odd, we need to take only positive outcome from a person or a situation. Looking things positively releases stress. Resolve to be happy. Resolving to be happy is to consciously recognizing bad thoughts, replacing with good ones. We can be happy at our will no matter what is happening to us. Enjoy you do little things in your life daily. Set your standards. We know ourselves better than anyone else. We must set our standard as a strength, weakness, beliefs, or values that we decided to live. The great people are clear about their values and decisions. Build an immunity to negative criticism. Friends, negative criticism is just like a virus which can affect our positive energy. Train your brain to become immune to the negative effects of criticism. We should ignore or accept criticism without acting on them. Try to build a strong mental immune system. Learn to find pleasure in little things. Remind yourself of all the gifts you have in your life. Enjoy each and every moment of your life, thinking whatever you are doing or happens to you is a part of life. Make time to do what you enjoy. Remember, ups and downs are part of life. We all have good or bad days. We must remember that we will pass through it. Our approach on life plays a large role in adverse situations. If we are depressed, angry, and upset, or we have cheerful disposition, it makes the difference. Make the best of every situation. Friends, every situation offers an opportunity to become better in the long run. Things always get better. Today's challenges only serve to make the future more enjoyable. We should utilize the situation to the best of our ability. Help others whenever you can. It is easier to help. Helping others makes us happier and healthier. It connects us to others and helps to build a happier society. It's not all about money, we can also give our time, ideas, and energy. The help given to others is often returned as well, creates positive ties and trust. Learn to get over things. Your past does not have to define you or your future. It may be either good times or bad times. Reframing our attachment with past, stop thinking of how things should be and accept them as they are. Forgive yourself and others. Forgiveness is one of the best quality of human being. It can even lead to feelings of understanding, empathy, and compassion for yourself and others. Forgiveness brings a kind of peace that helps us to go on with life. All of us have made our share of mistakes. So friends, when we live our life this way, we can be happy nearly all the time. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Therefore, be happy, be healthy. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. Have a good day.